It's laundry day, a mountain of clean clothes. And for Souso, our magnificent long-haired tuxedo, it's not a chore. It's an invitation to help. Her golden eyes survey the fluffy landscape. A basket of warm towels, irresistible. Souso, the furry assistant, prepares for duty. A graceful leap into the laundry basket. She burrows deep, emerging only to bat playfully at a passing sock. So much help, so little time. Then the folding assistance. She pounces on a freshly folded shirt, unraveling it with a single determined swipe. Her mission: ensure every item is thoroughly inspected. The rogue sock battle. A single sock becomes her fiercest adversary, battered and chased across the floor, until finally captured. What a heroic feat! Mission accomplished. The laundry may not be perfectly folded, but it has certainly been Souso found. Our diligent helper collapses in a fluffy heap, surrounded by her work.